Oh, hello YouTube, just back again. Have a look at the display. I've sorted it out. Now what was it? Alright, so we have I've gone through and I just desoldered and removed the solder and then reflowed. Along here, these pins were all sitting up vertically. All along here, that's the earth pin. And what I did was desolder and then push the pins down after cleaning them flat onto the trace on all of them. Then resoldered rather than filling all of the holes up with blobs of solder. And instantly the display came back alive. So looking at the pins, they all look fairly suspect. It was probably just many years of solder build-up through the wave soldering and other people that had put things on it, trying to sort this problem out, not doing it right. And there was corrosion on the tin legs on number 3. Where is it? Number 3? Number 4. That's where I picked up. So once I folded them over, bang, it all came back alive again. I've given the board a detail, a clean or a scrub. As you can see, it looks all quite good. The RF shield's back on again. And it's ready for its final RX alignment and setting up the clarifier. Also doing a lot of case repairs on this. This radio, I've also replaced the speaker on this one. Geez. Someone had drilled a hole through the case and put a screw straight through the bracket. It's just crazy, but anyway. So what I've done with the case is there was 3 extra holes, filled those holes with resin, and I'm preparing that to paint both black covers, a matte black finish, trying to get as close to OEM as possible. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.